Want your tiles to look flawless and last for years? Here are 6 simple tips to help you tile like a pro. Handling pipes. Measure the pipe diameter and location accurately. Mark the spot on the tile and use a hole saw or tile nibbler to cut a clean circular hole. Cut the tile in half if needed, and place the 2 halves around the pipe. Fill the gap with matching grout and sealant. Tile orientation matters. Use a tile cutter or angle grinder to create precise L shapes or notches, especially when working around pipes or corners. Always check the tile batch number and directional arrows on the back to ensure consistent pattern or grain alignment. Dry lay a few rows first to visualize the layout before committing to adhesive. Dealing with uneven surfaces. For uneven floors, apply a self-leveling compound before tiling. Use a level tool to check multiple points across the surface. This helps prevent lippage, uneven tile heights that affect both appearance and safety. Clean as you go. Always wipe off excess adhesive or grout immediately with a damp sponge. Dried residue is difficult to remove later and affects the finish. Use tile spacers. Tile spacers are essential for achieving a clean and professional-looking finish. They help maintain even spacing between tiles, ensuring uniform grout lines across the entire surface. Always place spacers at the corners of each tile, and remove them before the grout sets to avoid them getting stuck in the joints. Waterproofing is a must in wet areas. Use waterproof membranes or coatings behind tiles in bathrooms or kitchens, especially around showers, tubs, and sinks.